Drones are incredible technological inventions that make it easy for us to take pictures and videos from angles that our eyes or a regular camera cannot take. Imagine having to see the world from the sky. As a result of its amazing function, it's no surprise that the market has been quite competitive in recent years. So if you're looking for the best drones available, here's a pick of the top 5 best drones in 2023. Number 5. HS720E GPS Drone from Holy Stone. This drone is the cheapest on the top-rated list, costing $280. And for those learning to fly a drone, this short-range drone is a good choice. It comes with various accessories, such as an extra battery and a carrying case. So you won't have to be concerned about the drone running out of power when it's far away thanks to the return home feature, which brings it back to you when the battery reaches a particular level. The battery's combined flight time is 46 minutes, and the effective brushless motor is quieter than most other drones, allowing you to record events without being disturbed. Also, you have the option of picking between 4K video at 30 frames per second or 1080p video at 60 frames per second, but the latter is excellent for filming in slow motion. This drone has popular flying features like Follow Me and image stabilization. It is very easy to use compared to other drones, and you have more time to learn because of its battery life and signal strength. So if it fits within your budget and you're a beginner, this is your catch. Number 4. The PowerVision PowerEgg X for $620. This is a drone that works in all conditions and transforms into a handheld camera, and although it has the name of a food, it is a powerful drone. Additionally, PowerVision's aerial orb stands apart in a market dominated by drones that dislike water for its capacity to fly in the rain and land on bodies of water. Its multipurpose nature makes it useful for video conferences by mounting it on a tripod, while the face and gesture recognition technology enables the camera to maintain your focus while allowing you to snap images or movies by simply waving your hand in front of it. Also, when following a subject, the AI face recognition technology provides subject lock-on and accurate, effective, multi-angle, distant face recognition. And with the help of a wireless microphone or the microphone on the phone, the patented SyncVoice technology captures high-fidelity voice and automatically synchronizes it with the images. The PowerEgg X, a remote control, a wrist strap, a full set of arms and propellers, a spare set of propellers, one intelligent battery, an intelligent charger, and a carrying case are all included in the product package. Number 3. DJI Air 2S for $995. This drone tops every category, and if image quality is more important to you than size, this is a great option. The DJI Air 2S is equipped with a huge 1-inch image sensor that allows it to capture stunning aerial images in movies. It has the ability to capture still images in DNG RAW format at up to 20 megapixels and video at up to 5.4K resolution. The drone also features a number of clever flight modes that make it particularly simple to record cinematic footage, even when you're out hiking by yourself, such as a mode that automatically circles a site of interest and a mode that follows you as you stroll over the hills. Along with GPS location, obstacle sensors, ADS-B to alert you to adjacent manned aircraft, and a 30-minute battery, DJI's excellent safety features are also present. Number 2. Autel Robotics Ego Lite for $1,049. The 20MP sensor in the Autel Robotics Ego Lite is likely the greatest drone camera currently on the market, giving the Air 2S some real competition. With a Type 1 sensor camera and the added feature of a variable aperture to reduce incoming light without the use of ND filters, the Autel Evo Lite Plus offers picture quality that is comparable to that of the DJI Air 2S. The folding drone includes 3-way obstacle sensors to prevent mid-air collisions and can fly for approximately 40 minutes on a full battery. It features a stabilized 20MP RAW DNG or JPG, 6K 30 and 4K 60 video, a 1-inch sensor and movable aperture, a powerful battery with a triangular obstacle sensor and an hyperlapse GPS, automated return to home, and automated camera movements. This is certainly the best drone for long flights. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. The price ranges from $1,597 to $4,999, depending on the accessory that comes with the package, and in terms of foldable models, the DJI Mavic 3 has the finest drone camera. Excellent video and still images are produced right out of the camera using a large 4/3 format sensor with a Hasselblad color profile. The DJI Mavic 3 drone can fly around obstacles thanks to all-around obstacle sensors, an integrated GPS that maintains stability in the air, and flight periods of more than 40 minutes, which contribute to safer flights. So if you are a dedicated professional or just a drone fan, you can upgrade to the Sign version, $4,999, which includes 1 TB of SSD storage and ProRes 422 video. But if it's way over your budget, the Classic Edition, which costs $1,599 instead of $2,099 with the absence of the telescopic camera, is an option. It has an amazing maximum flight time of 46 minutes, so you can stay in the air longer and take as many pictures as you desire with a single battery. The Mavic 3 camera drone can make a quick, safe, and accurate return to its starting position thanks to a new, advanced RTH technology. So getting the quadcopter drone back to you while it is in flight is simpler than ever, whether it is triggered by a low battery or the operator. The Mavic 3 is a worthwhile investment if you are a cinematographer, independent filmmaker, vlogger, or some other creative worker. Let us know what you think about these drones, and feel free to tell us which is your favorite and why.